need to think it over. If I'm wrong, I am right. Don't need to look no further. This ain't lost. I know this is love, but if I tell the world, I'll never say enough, 'cause it was not said to you, and that's exactly what I need to do if I'm in love with you. Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Or would it be a waste, even if I knew my place? Should I leave it there? Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? I built myself up and fly around in circles like that as my heart drops and my back begins to tingle. Finally, could this be it? Or should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Or would it be a waste, even if I knew my place? Should I leave it there? Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Oh, would it be a waste, even if I knew my place? Should I leave it there? Or should I just keep on chasing pavements? Should I just keep on chasing pavements? Oh, should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Or would it be a waste, even if I knew my place? Should I leave it there? Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere?
Hey, well done, Sienna. Louise, what do you think of Sienna's performance?
Sienna, do you know what's lovely to hear is that every week you've improved, and this week it's like you've just taken a massive leap, and it's just so lovely to hear, and you work so hard, and it is paying off. You know, you've worked so hard with me almost every day this week. You know, you're really putting your time and effort in, and it shows. So well done to you for that. Your lower register in this song is so stunning. That's definitely a strength, and something I think you should focus on when you're looking at other song choices and stuff, because that lower register is just absolutely beautiful. But you can get up there as well. You know, it wasn't perfect. You know, they were the odd like little bum notes or whatever, but it was a massive improvement. So I've got to say a big well done to you, and keep working hard, keep improving, keep taking on board all of our advice, and you will, you know, you've got massive potential. So well done.
Kelly?
It was definitely your strongest vocal, especially compared to sort of last week. It was so much more controlled, especially going down through those notes, and it really showed off this unique tone that you've got. You've got a really lovely, quite a current tone to your voice, and that's really starting to come through now. You seem to be getting much more comfortable with yourself and with your voice. You know, the more you sing, you seem to be coming into your own then. And you can tell how determined that you actually are and how much effort that you're putting in, because the change in you is just is fantastic. So just keep at it, keep doing what you're doing, because that was a really lovely performance. Well done.
Sienna, this is exactly what you needed to do this week. Again, I just want to bring up that it wasn't ultimately the best performance I think you'll ever do. I do believe you'll have even better performances after this. But it was a huge step up. And again, like, I would say this to any of the contestants in the process. Again, it is a competition. You need to be standing out to us each week after week like that. And the only way you were doing that is by stepping up, 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 up. This was a massive step up from anything you've done so far in this competition, and that's the route you need to be in. So once again, absolutely loved what you did with this. I thought you looked much more relaxed. You looked a bit more with it on the camera. You didn't look so, oh, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm going to hold back. None of that was there. It looked like somebody who was starting to become confident in who they are as a singer and as an artist. So well done to you. You stepped it up.